then we start. Okay, so these are the important adjustments we have already studied in final accounts. It is the right on the last, I mean the right hand side of the screen. The first one you can see closing stock, right? Closing stock. So closing stock is the first and the most simple, we can, one of the easiest adjustments we have studied in this final accounts. So what is closing stock? Everybody knows. We will simply see the accounting treatment. Okay, where it is coming. Remember one thing, when there is an adjustment given in the question, remember it will be having two effects. It will appear on in two places simultaneously. Okay, one time in trading and profit and loss account and next time in balance sheet. Please don't forget that. This is the most important point you'll have to remember always. You can write it down in your copy and highlight it. Every adjustment will appear twice in two places. Understood? Somebody tell me yes. Snehal. Okay, very good. Now you start with the closing stock. Uh, Closing stock will have two adjustments. First, it will be coming in. You now you do one thing. Okay. First, write a closing stock in your notebook. You can use short forms, no problem. You write a C, yes, or C stock, closing stock. Then, along with that closing stock, you write the accounting treatment. In which places they come. Okay, make it fast. You write the accounting treatment where it is coming, in which accounts. Here you have two records here. One is trading and profit and loss account, and trading and profit loss account is divided into two parts. One is trading account, another one profit and loss account. Okay, so you simply write either in trading account or profit and loss account, debit or credit. Use short form. Then you write where it will be coming in the balance sheet. This thing you write in your copy, in your notebook. Okay, I hope you have finished. हो गया ना? Okay. Okay. Now you just check where these items are coming. So this closing stock, it is coming in the, can someone tell me very fast where it is coming? Okay.
Trading account.
Okay, very good. So that means I will simply put a tick mark here. This side, right? And a balance sheet.
Asset side.
Very good. This is the asset side. Okay, very good. So here liability, here asset. So closing stock is coming here. Okay, these are the two adjustments. Okay, very good. Okay, so closing stock is done. So those who have written in your notebook, please check it. Okay, whether you have written it correctly. Okay, I will just erase it. The other one is not working. Okay, fine. So closing stock we have done. ये हो गया. Very good. सबका रिविजन अच्छा है, सबका अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी अच्छा है. That is very good. Now second one, outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses. Write in your copy. रुको एक मिनट. Okay, just a minute. First you write outstanding expenses. Written. Okay. Now in trading, so you will have to tell me what is the account, then side. Okay. Number one, first adjustment or first effect. Tell me.
Profit and loss account, debit side.
Addition in respect to expenses, profit and loss account, debit side.
Okay, very good. Now I will clear it. Okay, I will complete it. Like it will be coming, outstanding expenses will be coming. Suppose it is salary. So we write salary here, then add outstanding. Okay, we write add outstanding. So this is the adjustment here in the profit and loss account. If it is salary, it will be in the profit and loss account. In case if it is wages, it will be coming here. Wages add outstanding. So that means it can come either in the trading account, इधर भी आ सकता है, इधर भी आ सकता है. Clear? It can come either in trading account or in profit and loss account. It may be salary, it may be commission, it may be wages, it may be insurance, it may be any such indirect expenses or direct expenses. So both of the expenses can come as outstanding. Okay, so that is the first effect. Second effect. Second effect. Tell me. ये कौन है? दीप्ति. Pratiksha. Okay, good. Liability. That means the same.
Liability side.
Okay, very good. Outstanding. कहाँ है? Outstanding. हो गया? So this is the first effect. This is the second effect. Okay, I hope you have written in your copy in very short form. Use short form. Okay, very good. So outstanding expenses done. Okay, and what is this outstanding expense? Who will say it very short in a very simple way?
Expenses due but not paid.
Ah, yes, very good. Expense due but not paid. Very good, very good. Okay. तुम लोग का रिविजन तो अच्छा ही चल रहा है. वेरी गुड. हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. ओके, तुम लोग का पढ़ाई, your study is going on in the right direction. Okay, right. ये हो गया. So outstanding expenses done. Now prepaid expense, prepaid or paid in advance. Tell me.
Deducted from respective
Deducted
on
from
debit side.
Yes, yes. Deducted from the respective side. Okay. Deducted from the respective side. That means it may be coming here. It may be coming here also. Sorry. The expenses. Okay. It will not be coming. Okay. अरे मेरा ये हो गया. Okay. It will be coming here because it is expense. Okay. I was thinking of unearned income. Okay. So it will be coming here. So what is the expense? You just deduct. It is subtract. So suppose expense is there. Example rent आ गया. Suppose we write rent here. Then we subtract. From the rent we subtract PP. PP means prepaid. Okay. PP means prepaid. So from the respective item we subtract of prepaid expenses. First effect. What is the second effect? How it will be coming in the balance sheet?
asset side.
Asset side. It will be, yes,
Asset side.
asset side. So prepaid expense in the asset side, because we will be getting it in the that means the benefit will be there in the future. So we consider it as an asset and we write it in the asset side of balance sheet. That is rent, prepaid. Okay, prepaid expenses. So very good. So OV ho gaya. So I will just erase it. Prepaid expenses. Expenses paid in advance. Okay. Very good. Okay, now accrued income. Accrued income.
Add to the respective income on credit side profit and loss account.
Okay, very good. In trading and profit and loss account, or to be specific in profit and loss account, we put this accrued income. Which side? I did not get the side clearly. Which side? This is debit side.
Credit side.
Side B bolo. Okay. In the credit side, accrued income. Accrued income, yes. It will be added. What will be the item? To the item, you add accrued. Okay. Mitna लिखेगा. Add accrued income. Whatever is the item. It may be commission. It may be some other income. You add to that income in the credit side of profit and loss account. It comes in most of the case it will be coming. It will be an indirect expense and it will be coming in the profit and loss account only. Okay. So first effect. Second effect.
Asset side.
Asset side. Why it is asset side? Can someone tell me? ये क्यों asset है? You can tell me either English, Hindi. Bolo. Simple way. Why it is asset?
Is the income.
Tell me. It is income. Oh, income तो इधर ही आता है. If you type income, then I will say income is coming in the profit and loss account credit side. Why it is coming in the asset side? कोई बोल सकता है? सोचो बोलो. Very simple. Why it is in the asset side? Diti, Sakshi, Soham.
It earned during the year but not received.
Okay, not received. you did not get my exact point. Then why it is asset? That is what I am asking. Why it is asset? Okay, I will tell you. Because you may not have understood the difference very clearly. The thing is that we will get it in the future. अभी तक नहीं मिला है लेकिन हमको मिलेगा. We will get it. We are going to get benefit. Whatever benefit we are going to get in the future, we call it asset. Okay, हमको मिलेगा. That is why we write in the asset side, dear students. Don't forget it. Okay. I know that many of you knew the answer, but you did not know how to tell it. You know the concept, right? जो भी accrued income है, ये हो गया, किसी का पास है, हमको मिला नहीं, तो हमको तो मिलेगा. जब मिलेगा वो हमारा asset बन जाएगा. So we consider this as asset. हमको मिलेगा, we will get it. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, accrued income तो हो गया, तो it is coming here, and I delete this one. ये हो गया. Okay, tell me now. Income received in advance. Received in advance. Which side? How?
Credit side. Deducted from respective income.
Okay, profit and loss account. That means this side, credit side, and
Credit side.
credit side. Then it is added or subtracted.
Subtracted.
Very good. Subtracted. Minus हो गया. Okay. So it is in the credit side. It is subtracted from the concerned income, whatever it is. It may be commission, it may be rent, it may be anything. So we subtract it. That is number one. Second effect, balance sheet.
Liability.
Liability side.
Liability side.
Okay, very good. Okay, liability side, very good. Okay, बहुत अच्छा है. तो ये भी हो गया. मैं डिलीट करेगा. सो हमारा जो मेन जो कॉमन जो आइटम्स हो गया वो तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe you are writing in your notebook in the same way, in very short, very short, not in detail or not in complete sentences, very short, in your own style. You write in your copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Depreciation. Tell me.
Profit and loss account, debit side.
Loss account.
Okay. Very good. Profit and loss account, debit side. How? Like this. Depreciation. There can be 2, 3, 4 depreciation sometimes. There can be single one. Okay, depending on the type of fixed assets, there may be depreciation on furniture, on land. Sorry, land is not there. Building, machinery, fixtures, motor car, etc. Okay, depending on the number you repeat it. Okay, so you write it, but you write it together. You can write it together and add the total and show the single amount also in that. Otherwise, you can write it as many times, no problem. So depreciation is written here in the debit side. Okay, in the asset side, I mean in the balance sheet, how it is written? Deducted, yes. So deducted from the asset side, very good. So fixed asset is coming here. उसमें से ये minus करेगा. Less depreciation. Whatever fixed asset is there, minus करके show करेगा. That will be the treatment in balance sheet. So that is also done. Okay, very good. Write in your notebook also. So that is done. तो ये हो गया. This is done. This is done. Okay, very good. Interest on capital.
Debit side of profit and loss account.
Debit side of, okay, very good. Debit side of profit and loss account. So we put it here in the debit side because it is expenditure. And in the balance sheet,
Liability side.
Add to capital.
Okay.
Capital.
Add to capital. If there is capital. In the liability side, there is capital. And to the capital, we add interest on capital. ये capital के साथ है ना, we add some items, some figures in the balance sheets to the capital. One is this interest on capital, of course. Any other figures which we add to capital? Please tell me. Any other figures or items which?
Net profit.
Net profit, number one. Okay. Anything else? If no, you tell me no. Normally, these are the two items added. Okay, net profit and interest on capital. Then what are the items deducted from capital? Drawings. Then
Net loss.
Then
Interest on drawings.
Okay. Interest on drawings also will be deducted. So that is the answer of this one, actually the next one. Interest on drawings also will be deducted from the capital, and in the trading and profit loss account kahan pe aayega bolo? Where it will come? Interest on drawings.
Credit side of.
Credit side. Yahan pe aayega. Credit side. Okay. Very good. Now another important item. Okay, another important item here. This one I say more important because sometimes this interest on loan, this is treated as it will be coming as a hidden item in the question.